I started some determinate tomatoes back in July to put out late in the season because they only take 55 days to make fruit, and I thought maybe we would give this a try to see if we could actually get some late season tomatoes. Our first average frost is October 22nd officially, but it generally happens about October 31st, so we may actually get a few tomatoes. They should have been out already, but I've had some health issues that have kind of impaired me from getting out in the garden. One being I had skin cancer removed from my hands. So I'm going to try getting them planted today. Garden's looking rough. Once again, the gardener has been laid up. I'm going to put them in this bed where the Amish paste tomatoes are. I think they're done. They've been looking bad for weeks. And I'll just harvest what's decent there, which isn't much, and pull those plants out and pull up the weeds. And I'll get these tomatoes in the ground. Got this bed all cleared out, got the string trellis down. T-posts are still there. That's a job for my husband. Got some compost to plant my tomatoes that are already wilting because the sun has come out, because I've taken too long to get everything done I wanted to do this morning. But the plants are cut down and most of the weeds are out. There's a few in there, but I need to get a move on because it's getting too hot for me. Alright, got all these tomatoes planted, and they're perking up a little bit. They were looking a little droopy when I got them out here. They sat out here in the sun too long and started to wilt. But that's why I put water in the planting hole, both to get some of the air bubbles out and to give them a nice drink when they got in there. Hopefully that wasn't too slap happy.